Okay, everybody. Good afternoon. Here is a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. This is one of the ceiling fans that came with the house, along with several others that I'm going to be getting on video. You saw this in my last video, and so I'm going to be getting some footage out of this, as I said I was going to do. Now, I'm going to be perfectly honest here. I've never really particularly been a ceiling fan guy. I've always leaned more towards portable fans, particularly vintage and antique fans and stuff like that. But figured that I would let this be the exception. This thing is really neat looking, and I'm absolutely certain that these were recently installed as the house was being renovated when the previous owner bought it, and these were all put in right before we moved in. Alright, sorry about that. Anyway, I really don't know much about these ceiling fans. I have never followed up with them. Don't know that much about them. But maybe somebody can hit me up in the comment box and give me some information about this, because I know that there's many of you out there in the fan community who are very knowledgeable about these things. This is a 5-blade, and I think it's oak. I'm not entirely sure. Really has a really nice finish on it. There's the light dome. There's the motor. This here's the pull chain for the light. This is the pull chain for the speed control. And I think this is a 3-speed. Now, before I start this thing up, I'm all going to let you know in on something. I've lived in 3 different houses throughout my lifetime. This is my first residence, me sleeping in a bedroom ever with a ceiling fan in it. So, this is kind of special to me. I'm willing to accept it, and I'm willing to take advantage of it. Use this for the last few nights of sleep. I don't use it all of the time. I only run it particularly for nights of sleep, or when absolutely necessary. I'm still using my portable fans, but anyway, let's go ahead and start this thing up now. I love how that shows up on camera. It's one thing I have enjoyed about ceiling fans is the sound of them, of how generally quiet these things are. Don't get me wrong, the performance is great. It's a high speed. Or I'm guessing this is the medium. Well, I guess this is only a 2-speed. Alright, so that's speed 1. That's speed 2. It's off. Well, I guess it is a 2-speed after all. No? Wait, no, I'm wrong. This is a 3-speed. That's the low speed. The blades are still going, so yeah. Let's turn the light off and see the fan run. off and we'll close out the video. Okay, so the shorter one is the fan, longer one is the light. Alright. I guess that does it for this one. Really neat. Well, there you have it, everybody. A Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. Definitely going to be getting more videos like this because there's plenty more of these things in this house to go around. So yeah, there's more from where that came from. Well, that'll do it for now, everybody. I hope that you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I greatly appreciate it. And you all have a good weekend.